So in this video we'll discuss about installing AEM 6.5 cloud version in Windows. So if we go to official documentation of Adobe, you can see that first the prerequisite is to install Java on your system. So if I check J- Java hyphen version, I'm using Java 11.0. So Java 11 is the mandatory, or Java 1.8 also you can use. So after clicking on that, checking that you have installed Java in your system, you need to go to this link and log in and download the cloud SDK version of AEM. So I already have downloaded into my system with AEM 6.5 Adobe AEM softwares and 6.5 cloud. I have June 6 version. Now I'm copying it into AEM cloud installation folder. Okay. The first thing is to extract that zip file. Okay. Unzip the zip file. Right click, WinRAR, extract to AEM. So after it is extracted, you will be able to see three files. One is AEM SDK quick start jar file, the dispatcher file, and also dispatcher file for Unix. So we just need to copy this file, create a new folder as AEM-SDK. Here you need to create a new folder as author and paste that file. The same thing that was saying. So copy the create a AEM SDK author folder, and in the author folder, you need to rename the file as this am-author-p4502.jar. This one. It means we are running AEM in author instance. AEM as an author instance in port number 4502. After renaming that, you can just double tap on the jar file to start the AEM 6.5. If we go and check any more documentation on this, here they are saying to run from the command line itself. Let's just try with double clicking on that, and then we can see whether you can access this or not. The publish also same in the AEM SDK folder. You need to add a new folder as AEM publish and rename it to AEM publish. AEM as a publish instance with port number, different port number, which is 450 is fine. Services, we don't need this. Timnet content distribution, we can later check this. Start more, we don't need that. That. See, this is the command. This is the command you need to enter for running the AEM instance. Let's check this. Where we are at. And this is called GUI mode. Means graphics use interface mode. It will show the progress, whether it is progressing or not, and there will be an option to close or restart or shut down this AEM instance. So it automatically opens up this local host with port number 4502 for login. So under the default username and password for AEM logging into AEM instances, admin. So you are logged into AEM, and the version number here is the SDK version AEM 6.5. And we have here, and we can just turn off by toggling this off. We can turn off the AEM instance. And the other way to run this AEM instances, go to command mode and paste this java hyphen jar AEM hyphen author for visitor hyphen jar hyphen GUI. It means it will show you the GUI also. Okay, okay. See, if you get this error, it means that we just have shut down the AEM. So it is unable to find that port number. So if it is unable, if you find this error, it means that 4502 port number is not yet released by the system. Wait 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, you can see the port number is released, and we are turning on the AEM instance. The other way is to set up this as, if we can see, go to the official document. This is a local development SDK AEM local setup. This is for, you see, it's just turned on. I'm turning off again. You see here we have another thing as called using command line. This is for running the AEM in debug mode. You need to create a new text file with a AEM hyphen start dot text. You can write this text itself, paste it, and remove last. See, the GUI is already hyphen triple P for logs. See, now Java is trying to run AEM in address for 30303 port number, and as same hyphen jar AEM hyphen R3. So after saving this file, close it, change it to BAT extension, change it, and then double click on the BAT. Port number is not yet available. From here, you can see that if you just check this configuration, we are running the AEM debug port in 30303. So the same port number what we have given in the script, we have to use the same here only. Just start this. Okay, I didn't turn off this. Give it a second. Now it is starting in debugger mode. Let it start. Let's just turn on again. Now the version is in. Let it load. In 2025. Let's turn off this. In the next video, we'll see about creating a new project for AM and deploying it into AM instance, author instance.